CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock predictions for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or not? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Here's a key part about circling into the group. It's in a demand zone, but it doesn't make it an immediate buy. I have done so many receipts on CRCL in the Discord with about 50 results, and it's all I'm doing is sticking to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos. It's all on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years. But unironically, I also taken 3 longs, and then I'm only really wanting to come back to the long side opportunities if it shows that it wants to pump up. And that first sign is, like I said, going to be if we start breaking above 145. Now, why Mr. Sicko not buy immediately? Because you're going to be ahead. Well, we don't know if this thing really wants to pump, you know what I mean? Instead of trying to assume the shift and just guess it, I'm going to stick to it actually shifting and then me milking it up. That's what I find working for me the best. Again, please do your own due diligence. There is a lot more nuances to this, but if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.